how to add music on Messenger Notes. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add music on Messenger Notes. Alright, so let's begin. This feature enables you to attach a song or a portion of a song to your note, which can be shared with your friends. To add music to Messenger Notes, first open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Once you are in Messenger, you will see Notes section at the top left of your screen. Tap on your note, a new screen appears. Look for the music icon. Tap on this music icon below your profile picture. A new screen appears again. Scroll down and find the song that you want to add to your notes. You can also use the search box to find specific music. Once you find the song, tap on it to add it to your notes. From here, drag and select the part of the music you want to include in your note. Once satisfied, tap on Done at the top. Now add a caption for your music in the Share Your Thoughts section. Lastly, tap on Share at the top of the screen. Now your note with music will seen by your friends. So that's basically how you can add music on Messenger Notes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.